Alright, in this video what I'm going to talk about is some more strategies for finding clients. And so that strategy I'm going to talk about is utilizing online webmaster forums to actually find potential freelance jobs. A couple forums that you could go to that are frequented by internet business owners and website owners. One is the warriorforum.com, and there's a very special way that we're going to show you how to use here in just a moment, the Warrior Forum in particular. But they do charge a fee to post a special offer, but you would post what's called a Warrior Special Offer. And basically you would just post a project in there, and we'll give you a visual of that here in a moment. But you post your Warrior Special Offer saying that you are offering article writing services, you are offering e-cover creation services. You come up with the service that you specialize in, whether it's SEO, link building service, whatever it is. Put a price tag on it, and it has to be a special price for the Warrior Forum, but you can make some good money doing freelance projects that way through the Warrior Forum. Another site you can go to is sitepoint.com, and again you are just creating a specific offer of services that you provide, and it costs you, I think it's $10 to make the post. The Warrior Forum is $20, but they get a lot of traffic and you can get some good sales by offering services through them. Another site is www.webmaster-talk.com. Very similar concept. They have what's called a buy, sell, trade area, and that's for webmasters, for you to go in there and you could, buy, sell, even trade services, so that you could trade maybe SEO services for e-cover design and creation services. So that might be an idea for you. The next thing you can do is go right over to forums.digitalpoint.com, and you could go right on over to the Digital Point forum, and then what you can do within that forum is again utilize the buy sell trade area of their forum to find some fabulous projects that you could actually post bids on. The one other keyword phrase that you could search for in Google, and I'll show you this one in just a moment, is simply typing in buy sell trade in quotation marks, buy sell trade in quotation marks, and then do webmaster after it. And what that search query does within Google is that will only pull up forums or only pull up sites that are using the term buy sell trade, and it will only bring up the ones related to webmasters. So it brings up webmaster internet type forums utilizing buy sell trade, and that will give you the forums that enable you to trade or sell your services. And sometimes freelancing to do trades is not a bad idea. So you could sometimes trade SEO work for legal services. You could trade link building or article work for graphic design work. You can kind of see how that's almost as good as money for you as well. So that's something to keep in mind. So you could just do again just the buy sell trade, and then just select webmaster. So, or buy sell trade in quotes and then webmaster after it to pull that up. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video real quick, and then we're going to open up a web browser and show you how to utilize the Warrior Forum and a couple of these other forums we mentioned. Okay, so we're now right over here on the Warrior Forum, and inside the Warrior Forum is this basically what it looks like. And what you're going to look for is either the Warrior Forum classified ads or the Warrior Forum special offers forum. So here is where you could post a special offer inside the Warrior Forum. Now, what is so great about these Warrior special offers is that you could actually post yourself a project. So you would just go to the Warrior special offers page, read the rules. It takes 30 posts. You have to have 30 posts on the website first, and you want to write good content for your post. But basically, you just go to the Warrior Forum and you could just choose new thread. You buy the thread, it costs you $20, but then you could advertise whatever service you have, whether it's article writing, again, it could be graphic design, logo design, e-cover design, mini site creation, whatever the case might be. You come up with some ideas, and then go ahead and post your project in there with your pricing and tie it up to your PayPal account. So you create a PayPal buy now button, and you can go from there. So you could use the Warrior Forum for that option. You could do the same thing inside the Warrior Forum using the Warrior Forum classified ads. That will actually cost you $20 as well. So that's certainly something to keep in mind. So that's inside the Warrior Forum classified advertising section. The next thing that you're going to do is you can go right on over to sitepoint.com, SitePoint, just like you see on your screen, and you're going to look for the marketplace under SitePoint. And inside SitePoint's marketplace, they actually have a spot where it says advertise your services. So that's where you could click there, and you can actually go about advertising your freelance services. So you could just create new listing, and then just log into your account. And then just go through creating your listings. So just create, whatever you have to offer, whatever your service might be. And you can notice what the price is. So you advertise your services, it costs 10 credits, which is the equivalent of $10. And once you have selected that, you would go in and put in, your list of services. So put in that you do search engine optimization consulting, you do link building work, and this is a site frequented by webmasters. SitePoint has tons of webmasters looking at their content. So that's how you utilize SitePoint. The other site that I want to draw to your attention was the Webmaster Talk Forum, webmaster-talk.com. So let's just browse right over here, and inside the Webmaster-Talk forum, you've got over here, as you scroll down here, you're going to see a buy sell trade option. So you notice the Webmaster Talk Marketplace, that's what it's under. So you got here sell your website, sell your domains, but you've also got right here promote your services, and then freelance jobs. So you could just click here on promote your services under buy sell trade, and you can just click right over here under promote your services. So click on promote your services, and just go ahead and log in, first log into your account, and then you could go about posting your service offerings in there if you wanted to. So go ahead and choose promote your services. And then just, follow through with what you have to offer. So just choose, start a new listing, and then you can go through the options: freelance jobs, sell your promote your services. It does cost a slight fee to post that, but you could also post content for sale. So you could actually create article content and sell it on here as well, and that doesn't cost you anything. So you could sell private label rights, to articles that you've written. So that's how you use the Webmaster Talk forum. The other forum that I wanted to draw to your attention was forums.digitalpoint.com. And this forum is huge. It's another huge internet marketing webmaster type forum. So you can go right over here to Digital Point forum, and you are going to be looking for, let's see here, Digital Point forum, and you want to look for buy sell trade. And so you notice here buy sell trade, and then just go right over there where it says services. You would just choose services, and then you can just go ahead and choose from there whatever service it is that you're offering, whether it's programming, design, content creation like writing articles, and then go ahead and just choose create a new thread, and that will go about getting your project posted out there. So that's where you can go to advertise your services through Digital Point. So that's another great site to use. That's the buy sell trade option that I was talking about. Now here's the search string you just do into Google. It's just buy sell trade in quotation marks and then webmaster after it, and it brought up a variety of different webmasters. So notice here's another one called Dev Hunters, DEVhunters.com, and you notice here on their website they are another webmaster community, and you could do sell your services here again. So you could provide provide your services here as well. So there's just a lot of different different options that you can utilize to promote yourself. So there's tons of different options. Now, to narrow down webmaster, you could even go webmaster forum to narrow it down even more, and that would bring up more webmaster discussion forums. Here's another one for example. They've got a full-blown marketplace, and you could do inside the marketplace, you could advertise your services somewhere in there as well. So you kind of get the idea how powerful that buy sell trade option can be, because there are literally hundreds of forums, if not thousands of forums, where people are looking for people like you that offer, SEO services or link building services or article writing or graphics, whatever the case might be. There's a lot of different sources you can tap into for freelance information.